Tired of pumping out so many books on Amazon and not earning a penny? Has your ebook simply not been successful? Maybe you're new to KDP and you're looking for some easy passive income. By joining our Discord server, you can expect to easily begin making an extra $100 or more a day within 2 months. So how does this work? You upload a book to Amazon KDP, post a link in our Discord, then every member of the Discord server reads each other's book. Amazon KDP has a service, Kindle Unlimited, which allows authors to provide their book for free to anyone with a subscription, and the way the author makes money is based on each page read. Each page is valued at about half a cent, which sounds like very little. However, with each new person that joins the server, it greatly increases the value of each one of your books. The best part? This doesn't even cost a single dollar to begin. And if you join our server, we will teach you how to easily make a book that's over 500 pages long in minutes. Leave your email or Discord username in the comments down below, and I'll invite you to our community.